Introduction to data visualization. Data visualization is the graphical representation of information and data, the representation of data using common graphics charts, graphs, and maps. Data visualization tools provide an accessible way to see and understand trends, outliers, and patterns in data. Data visualization is important in business analytics. It plays an important role in business analytics as it helps businesses see the latest trends and patterns. Data visualization is required in data analysis. Main goal is to facilitate the identification of patterns, trends, and outliers in large data sets. Why do I need to learn data visualization? Since it is a broad field, learning data visualization involves many skills, such as studying Excel, Tableau, and programming languages like Python. Some common skills that individuals may choose to learn before embarking on a data visualization study are data analytics, design, and storytelling. What are the most popular data visualization techniques? There are several common techniques used for data visualization: charts, plots, maps. Data visualization helps reach decisions faster and enables viewers to derive much better insights into patterns and trends. Who uses data visualization? Data visualization is used across all industries to increase sales with existing customers and target new markets and demographics for potential customers. This is a type of data visualization. Line charts are ideal for visualizing continuous data over time and displaying trends, and can be accompanied by trend lines or goal lines to illustrate performance against a benchmark. Bar charts are ideal for comparing categories and are proportional to their values, plotted horizontally or vertically, and are ideal for limited space usage. Pie charts are useful for comparing parts of a larger picture, but can be challenging to interpret when there are multiple sections. Area charts are line charts that display cumulative totals over time, providing a deeper view of multiple data series within the chart. Bubble charts display 3 dimensions of data, comparing entities based on their relative values, positions, and sizes, similar to scatter plots with bubbles as data points. Scatter charts display values for 2 variables in a dataset, illustrating their relationship in large amounts, best with integer values on both y and x-axis. Heat maps are a useful tool for displaying geographic data, with individual values displayed in color.